What do you do when you fall in love with an old amp? And how do you approach the people that you consistently say, hey, this amp is the one that sounds the best overdriven, when this one does? I'm in a very strange place because of this amp. This has to be the overdriven sound of American rock. This is just the sound. I'm going to let you hear it through the internal speaker, which is wonderful. Don't ever judge by the size of a magnet, and then through my 412. So let's go. Oh, Eric, here we go, buddy. So I'm going to do my best to accurately capture some sounds from this old Magnatone. I have it set up with just the internal speaker, so you'll get a sense for the difference between this and my 412. It'll just be on 10 the entire time, and I'll just roll the guitar's volume up and down. So hope this finds you guys well.